Welcome back, everyone, to Witches Valley Homestead. It is I, Jessica, and we are doing more garden stuff. So this vlog is kind of like a long vlog. It's about kind of like a week long. We went to the my mess of a face of gardening. We went to the Thor blot where we had our first thunderstorm of the year. Amazing. Which I'll put the video in here. We are going to the Thor blot dinner festival thing here. It is an Icelandic dinner for one of the clubs here. Morgan's grandparents are a part of it, and they're trying to get some of the younger generation involved and stuff, and we're really into that kind of stuff, so we're going to be involved and hopefully get a little bit of some vlogging done there. But we're gonna get ready together. I have to do hair and makeup, and I'm gonna wear this shirt, but oh shit, maybe I'll wash. Maybe I should wash it first. I'm not gonna wear this skirt. The kids are just outside playing right now. I was doing some yard work. I'll try to get some vlogging done at the Thor blot. And then we had some more interesting stuff happen. We got our tree cut down in the yard, which is a good / bad thing. We really liked it for privacy. It looked more Wonderland-y, you know, like magical and stuff with a tree there. It was a beautiful tree, but it was time for it to go. So they tore down the other day, and I'll show you guys kind of what the yard looks like and where we're at right now. Bye bye, tree. That's just I got it on vlog. I'm gonna keep that in. So since they're taking down our tree, we thought we'd go for a little drive, grab some food and stuff, and we are, of course, at the garden center, at the nursery. We picked up some of these tomatoes over here. Our peppers are about the same size anyway right now. Ooh, the ghost chili pepper though we don't have. You should grab one of those ghost chili peppers. Beautiful flowers. Lovely. Wow.
It smells like summer.
Smells like summer. Smells beautiful over here. I love it. Oh wow, look at this beautiful flower. Aren't they pretty? Isabella approved?
Yeah.
They're lovely. Smell them. the birdies? Hi, handsome. Hi, baby. No hidden hay. Hands off the cage. Hands off. Just with your eyes. Yeah. Hold on, my baby. Look. You'll get your turn. Yeah, you'll get your turn, my baby. Oh, she's talking to you, singing to you. There's roses, peach. These are roses right here, I think. Yeah. I have no self-control. I have no self-control. Seriously, no self-control. Look at those beautiful plants. Oh my god, I have no self-control. Half of these are edible though. The roses, also edible. Oh my god, I got roses. I got a rose bush. Oh my god, 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 oh my god. I'm so happy right now. I'm running away. It's like $35 for this rose bush. Holy fuck. But that's okay. I'm getting it. I don't even care at this point. I want it. I want it. Look at that pretty tree. Wow. Wow. Lovely. Oh no. I'm gonna get into somebody's way now. I'm getting into someone's way. Oh shoot. Oh dear. I don't want to have to get in. This is my Mother's Day present to myself. Okay?
Okay.
Deal?
I would have bought you one.
Well, you can pay me back.
How about I buy it for you?
This is my Mother's Day present.
Yes.
look at these beautiful pink daisies. Pretty. About week six or seven of starting seeds. We still can't plant seeds for another like 3 weeks because we have snow coming still, and the last frost date's not till June 6th. In Canada, we have a very small growing season, so we try to do as much as we can with the time that we have. So we've gotten the garden tilled up. We're getting ready to put dirt in the garden because we need fresh dirt for that. We have all our plants out here. So we got herbs, we got our mints and our thyme and our savory. We got peppers out here and some sage, some broccoli and cabbage. We have to plant the broccoli and cabbage too. This is where our potatoes are going to be in this big box actually. And then we planted grass all in there. As you can see, they cut down the tree. So I kind of just have our flowers right now sitting on it. Our roses and stuff. They left it a little bit higher for a table because like there were springs or stuff in it. Tilled up that garden. Strawberries are starting to come up. It's just so open now compared. Got all our tomatoes out. The plants in here are starting to come up now. Our blueberry bush is not doing too good out here, so I'm happy. deal with it. It's supposed to be an outside bush. Got all our plants out. So everybody's getting some sun. Everybody's getting some sun right now. That big old baddie. And this is kind of what we're dealing with right now in the space that we have. I'm super happy. I can't get over there right now to show you. I'll have to show you in another vlog. But like the roses are just, it's my first roses. And look, here's so many roses on there. I'm so happy. And those other flowers, those lilies behind there are like super pretty. So I'm gonna have to get some close-ups of those and show you guys some pictures, I think. But yeah, everything's pretty on the go. I'm trying to get everything done. Also, Terry is away for a few days and she's not quite done her tilling in the garden yet, so I want to make sure that her garden's also ready to put some of these plants in come planting time. So while she's away, we're gonna go finish tilling up her garden, getting it ready, because on the 20th we're getting dirt, filling up the gardens so that they're ready for planting come the second week of June. So that's the plan. That's what we got so far. Thank you for sticking around during the vlog, and come back. Thank you so much for watching, guys.